Good day, rail fans. Welcome back to the platform. Today we continue the triple unbox series where we unbox the R46 R train. These are getting fairly rare now and quite a few of you want them. So without further ado, let's open them, see how they do. So there you have it, the R46 R train. Got some sparkly paints on there too. But compared to the W train, it's not as glossed as the other one. I'll put it side by side in a moment, but the quality reminds me of the R68 G train. That's a similar paint scheme. This is a 2019 Munipals train. Overall, very, very lovely finish indeed. Overall, the shape is a little bit more boxy compared to the R46W trains, which I have unboxed last week. So there you have it, 4 R46 R trains. Most of them are beautifully finished, and I say most of them, and there's a reason for that. So all these are fine. There's a bit of a paint chip over there, but we can fix that, it's not a problem. Just a brief touch up. It's all fantastic. Now you saw a bit of plastic in front, and I will get to this right now. This is where it stinks. As you can see here, the wheels, this part of the wheel has chipped off a bit, and if that's not enough, this wheel is broken here, isn't it? Yep, it is. It's a little bit unfortunate, which I have to use some super glue to put them together, which I don't think is a problem. It's just cosmetics, as long as you don't throw them around, which I don't. I looked after them very, very well indeed. In fact, I may have to recommend you all to use this glue. Now, this is the glue that I often use for anything modeling, and this is beautiful because you got the little nice tip on top on the front, so you can squeeze the glue precisely as to where it needs to be. So I'll deal with them in a second. Coming next Sunday morning, the unboxing and first test run of the legendary Munipals R32J subway train. See you at the platform, fellas.